I've been using this Band-Aid travel first aid kit for about 3 weeks now, and honestly, it stopped me from frantically searching for plasters when I inevitably scraped my knee on a bike trail. Before this, I'd spend at least 10 minutes each week wrestling with a depleted first aid drawer, a chaotic mess of empty boxes, and missing bandages. It's a small frustration, sure, but it consistently disrupted my afternoon. The kit has really streamlined that process, giving me immediate access to what I need. It's like having a miniature pharmacy in my backpack. The case itself is surprisingly robust and well-organized, which is a huge relief. It's a bit like a well-stocked toolbox for minor injuries. You know exactly what's inside and where to find it. I left a link in the description if you want to check current pricing. No pressure. I did notice that the adhesive on some of the smaller bandages felt a little less sticky than I expected, which is a minor niggle, but it's a small observation. It's not a deal breaker by any means. I found myself using the antiseptic wipes almost daily, just to clean around cuts and scrapes. This kit is incredibly handy for anyone who's active, whether it's hiking, cycling, or just navigating a busy city. The compact size means you can easily toss it into your gym bag or carry on. Imagine stepping out of a yoga class and immediately being able to address a small cut. That's the peace of mind this offers. It's a simple, effective solution for everyday bumps and scrapes. Either way, hope this saved you some research.